Hello everyone, today's topic is super profit method. This is the second method of valuation of goodwill. For calculating the goodwill by SP method, we have to follow the 4 steps which was here. Like in step 1, you have to calculate average profit, which average profit formula you already know. Average profit is equals to total profit upon number of year. The second step is normal profit. Normal profit is equals to capital employed into rate upon 100. And the step third is SP is equals to AP minus NP. And the last one is goodwill is equals to SP into number of year purchase. These are the steps which you have to be learned by heart so that you can calculate the goodwill by SP method. Okay, now the question arises in this step. So how you can calculate the capital employed? Sometime in the questions, capital employed is directly given to you. The another name of the capital employed is capital invested. And if it is not given over your question, you have to calculate the capital employed. And here is the steps to calculate the capital employed. Capital employed is to be calculated by net profit. Net assets, sorry. Net assets is calculated as all assets minus outside liability. But in all assets, we didn't include goodwill, fictitious assets, and non-trade investment. Now come to the question number 1. In the question number 1, you will see in over here that like a firm profit of the last 3 year were 5 lakh, 4 lakh and 6 lakh. There was a 3 years profit, 3 साल का profit आपको given है, 5 लाख, 4 लाख और 6 लाख. The normal profit earned by the industry in which the firm operates are 10%. Normal profit is also given to you, that is 10%. 10% of the capital employed, and capital employed is 40 lakh. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 4-year purchase. Number of year purchase is 4. So all the information you will get in, you just follow this earlier steps, which is in step 1 you have to calculate average profit. Now calculate the average profit, which is TP upon number of year. TP, total profit, 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh as given in the question. Divided by 3, you will get average profit 5 lakh. Okay, after that you have to calculate the net profit. Net profit is to be calculated by capital employed into rate upon 100. So capital employed is also given in the question, which is 40 lakh over here, and the rate of return is 10%. So you will get net profit 40 lakh. After that, you have to calculate the SP. SP is equals to AP minus NP. AP is this 5 lakh and NP is 4 lakh. You will get SP 1 lakh. Goodwill, SP into number of year purchase. SP 1 lakh. Number of year purchase is already given in the question. Over here, like I'm again reading this line. Calculate the value of goodwill. Firm की goodwill निकालनी है on the basis of 4-year purchase. So you have to multiply 4 over here. You will get goodwill 4 lakh. Okay, now come to the question number 2, which is as similar and as simple of this type of question it is. So a firm earned net profit during the last 5 year. 5 साल का profit दे रखा है. Capital invested दे रखी है 40,000. स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड को कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड भी कहते हैं. अ फेयर रेट ऑफ कैपिटल, फेयर रिटर्न ऑन द कैपिटल, यानी ये नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट ये आपको दे रखा है. रेट ऑफ रिटर्न जो है आपका 12%. फाइंड आउट गुडविल ऑन द ऑफ द फर्म. बिजनेस की गुडविल निकालनी है अगर आपका नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज होता है 3 साल. ओके, तो कैसे निकालेंगे, वही स्टेप्स फॉलो करेंगे. AP इज इक्वल्स टू TP अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ईयर. सारे ईयर के प्रॉफिट को आपने प्लस कर देना है और फिर डिवाइड कर देना है जितने ईयर के प्रॉफिट आपको गिवन है. तो यहाँ पे हमको 5 साल का प्रॉफिट गिवन है, तो हमने 5 साल के प्रॉफिट को ऊपर लिख के प्लस कर दिया और डिवाइड कर दिया 5 से. तो हमें एवरेज प्रॉफिट मिल गया जो कि हमारा 7,000 है. उसके बाद हम नेट प्रॉफिट निकालेंगे. नेट प्रॉफिट निकलता है आपका कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इंटू रेट अपॉन 100. 40,000 इंटू 12 अपॉन 100 किया तो नेट प्रॉफिट हो गया 4,800. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू परफॉर्म द स्टेप 3, दैट इज SP इज इक्वल्स टू AP माइनस NP. 7,000 AP आपने पहले निकाला था, NP आपका 4,800 है, दोनों को माइनस किया तो SP आपका 2,4,200 आ गया है यहाँ पे. उसके बाद गुडविल फॉलो करना है, कैलकुलेट करना है. SP इंटू नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज. SP इज 2,200. नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन, दैट इज 3 years परचेज. तो you have to multiply 3. You will get goodwill 6,600. Thank you so much. Please keep liking and share my videos so that you will get more videos. Thank you.